We have detailed maps of Mars. We have driven robots across its surface and photographed its dust. And yet most of our own ocean floor, right here, on our planet, has never been mapped in real detail. We are more strangers to the deep than to another world. Tonight's file: how far down the ocean really goes, and why almost nothing about it is like the water you know. Welcome to You High on Info. Picture yourself sinking slowly from the surface straight down. The first 200 meters is all the ocean you've ever really met. The sunlight zone, warm, blue, full of life. It's a thin skin. Below it, the light starts to die. Red vanishes first, then orange, then yellow, until everything is a deepening blue-gray twilight. By 1,000 meters down, the last photon of sunlight is gone. From here to the bottom, the vast majority of the ocean, it is permanently, totally dark. This endless black middle has a name: the midnight zone. And it is enormous. Most of the living space on Earth is right here, in the cold dark. There's no sun, so the creatures brought their own. Almost everything down here glows: sparks and lures and ghostly blue light, made by the animals themselves. It's a world that runs on living light instead of sunlight, hunting and hiding with lanterns they grow on their own bodies. And it's cold, just above freezing, and getting heavier with every meter, because the whole ocean above is pressing down on you. That pressure is the real monster of the deep. At the surface, the air rests on you gently. Water is far heavier. Go down far enough, and the weight above becomes crushing, over 1,000 times the pressure at sea level. At the very bottom, it's like balancing dozens of jumbo jets on a single square of your skin. An unprotected human wouldn't be squashed slowly, they'd be pulped in an instant. This is why we can drop a robot to the deepest trench, but can barely send a person. The ocean defends its floor with pure, silent force. So how deep does it actually go? Keep sinking past the abyss, into a scar in the seafloor called the Mariana Trench. At the very bottom sits a spot called Challenger Deep, nearly 11 kilometers down. If you dropped the tallest mountain on Earth in, its peak would still be more than a mile underwater. It is so hard to reach that more human beings have walked on the surface of the moon than have ever stood at the bottom of our own ocean. And even down there, in that impossible dark and pressure, we found life: small, patient things, living where everything says nothing should. That's the strange truth of the deep. The ocean isn't a place we've conquered. It's the biggest unexplored space on the planet, hiding under water we sail across every day. Most of it is still a blank map, which means the greatest discoveries down there almost certainly haven't happened yet. The last true wilderness on Earth isn't up in the stars. It's straight down. If you want more of how the world actually works, this is the channel for it. I'll see you in the next file.